Earlier, we're going to replace this around the entirety of the roofing system. This is called your drip edge. All right, underneath it in these spots you have a 2 by 10 or 12 piece of, looks like cedar. So we'll check for wood rot in this as well. Wherever we find it, we must replace it. Okay, but we're not going to replace it if it doesn't need replacing, trust me. This is an open vent. We'd like to climb in the attic and put a piece of plywood on the inside so you can still see it from the outside, so you have the aesthetic value, but the inside's closed off so air doesn't move through it. Why? Because remember at the beginning of the video I mentioned the soffits along the eaves where the air intake occurs. Air comes in your attic and we want to force it out the highest point, which is your ridge. Now this is ridge venting, bang for your buck. It's the best way to go. However, this is the old standard. The new standard is called shingle over ridge venting. You have metal here and a piece there and a piece there. Shingle over ridge venting, our industry got away from the metal because it leaks. It expands and contracts from the sun's radiation, which backs out these fasteners over time. The other problem is these fasteners are exposed to the elements. Water molecule touches them, they're going to get in every time. Not a question of if, it's a question of when. Water molecule is just too small, too tiny. Now when we're looking at the end of life of a system like this, we look for two things. Granular loss, which I've shown you all over, is very heavy. That's where the underlying asphalt is exposed. We also look for loss of adhesion, which is what this is. All right, and if you move around this roofing system, you'll find different spots. See, the shingles are starting to come up. I should have left one of the spots, but see, this one's starting to come up. But what happens is when these come up, wind gets under here. Wherever wind goes, water goes. So current rainstorm, rain lands, wind blows on it, blows up underneath the shingles, and it gets to nail heads and they start to rust. Okay, my professional opinion, this is Jackson with Sharp Roofing. This roof absolutely should be replaced. My number is 813-767-0852. My email address is jackson@sharproof.com. Thank you very much.